What's up, YouTubers? It's your girl Michelle Mini Me coming at you on this beautiful Saturday. I mean beautiful Saturday. Not hardly a cloud in the sky after all this rain that we obviously needed. God knows what we need. He provides what we need. Not always our wants, but our needs. I am here at one of our local rivers off of Recreation Center Road, and I just want to come at you right now with this view, guys. I mean, sometimes you need to just get away from all of the stress and worries of the world, and you need to come. I always said the water is so relaxing. I don't know why, but for me, I'm a Cancer. I'm just drawn to the water. And I find it absolutely breathtaking. If I could live on the water, I would be one happy camper. But yeah, this is our local river. One of them. This is the Lumber River that goes through and through and through. And if I could get a nice shot of our little bridge over there. I'm at the wrong spot to get it. But I hope you guys can find a place to go where you can just get away and just take some pressure off, guys. Don't think you can see it, but it's behind this big tree log, this stump. But yeah, we have a bridge over there, right behind it. But yeah, guys, it's amazing. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And remember to be loving and be kind. And God loves you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share for more content coming soon. Peace out, guys.